Hey guys, it's your boy HAQ with HeliDirect. I have here an AK420 by Steam. And what I'm going to be showing you guys today is how to give a quick refresher to the tail. So have you ever had a heli where you're flying it and you're in a hover and you have kind of like a slow little wag? It just non-stop wag. Not always is this the case, but in most cases, whenever you have that slow wag, it's usually because you have some sort of binding in the tail. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart and go over a few bits and pieces so that you guys can check your kits, your helis, even after some use. This is actually a good thing to do. Corrosion can cause the shaft to not be so smooth, the surface of the shaft to not be so smooth, and then it causes sticking on the tail pitch slider. I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart for you guys and then show you what you can use to freshen up your tail to prevent any binding and just to have a very smooth tail, okay? All right, let's get to it. All right guys, so I took everything apart. I have here the tail assembly. I have 1500 sandpaper, 3000 sandpaper, the Steam link resizing tool, some Flitz polish, and some Tri-Flow synthetic lube, and just a rag to clean everything up. All right, so once you have this taken apart, you wanna pull everything off the shaft. You can work on it like that. You don't have to take off the blades. You can if you want to. You're just gonna work on this area right here. As you can see, this one's already done, but it doesn't hurt anything. I'm just gonna do a quick pass over so you know what's up. All right, this method also works on main shafts as well, if you have any scoring from the one way. So here we go. Just get your synthetic lube, put a couple drops on it. Get the 1500 first, wrap it around the shaft, and just basically work it nice until you get everything even. Do a little bit. You basically want to do not excessive amount, but just make sure that it's nice and even all around. Clean it off, and then you work your way with the 3000. All right, that should be enough. All right, feels good. Get a little bit of metal polish. Put a dab on there. Doesn't take that long. You could easily get a shine from it, doing everything I'm telling you. And as soon as you're done with that, once you put the slider back on that, let's say, was sticking, right? You'll get it, and it is like silk. Now, I use the AK420 because this kit had that wag, and this fixed it. That's what you want. All right. Now, I have this here because sometimes it's a combination of different things that'll cause the tail to wag, and this is just one of them. The other thing is that you want to make sure that, well, this right here is loose, so that the screw is tight, but that this is loose. All right, so sometimes I'll remove the little brass collar in the center and file down the plastic so it pinches the collar and not the plastic link when you tighten it down. That helps with that. And then let's say if you put on the link and let's do it right now. You see, this is smooth, right? But I had to resize it because, as most kits are when they're brand new, the links come a little tight, so it's not so smooth. So that also has or causes an issue with a wag. So just a quick little tool. They sell this on the HeliDirect site. It's super cheap for something like this. I think it's like $3 or $4, but a very good tool to have, especially when you're building your kits. You know, you kind of like the saw tool. All right, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Having this right here smooth, the links loose and everything, fixed the tail wag that I had, and the heli flies like a dream. And again, also you could use this for a bird that you've had for a while. Little corrosion on the shaft, you want to go ahead and give it a little quick refresher and make the tail nice and smooth. Again, like if the kit was brand new. This is definitely something that we all overlook, and I highly recommend that you check yours out. Chances are you might be missing on some tail performance. All right, guys, I hope this tip helps you out. Until next time, take care.